For question 7, we're given the elevation and the plan of a bus for a built-up anvil. Okay, so the bus is going to be drilled for 450 millimeters diameter. So it's going to be drilled on this side, the back, and the front by 50 millimeters diameter sphere. We're asked to just solve and indicate the one of this right side. So show the interpenetration curve of where the bus is drilled on this right side here. Okay, so let's proceed. So I'm going to be making use of okay, that's great. So I'm going to use this plane. Yeah, then we're going to use the revolve command. So we're going to draw a sketch of a sectioned view. So now the total height is a 50 plus 38. 50 plus 38. The entire is a thickness of 50 millimeters. That's 25 on both sides. 25 here. Then from this bottom, we're going to move here by 88 divided by 2. That's 44. Then an height of 50. Then we're going to join it back to this point. Yeah. So finish and let's rotate. Sorry, revolve rather. So I'm going to revolve this. Press R on your keyboard. Select this profile. Then select this axis. So we're having this. So I'm going to use this. So now I'm going to I want to draw this sphere. So where this sphere cut this boss, it can be indicated on this plane. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to use the XZ plane, but I'm going to offset the plane. After I clicked on XZ, I clicked on plane, the arrow, the drop down arrow, then click on offset. Now I'm going up by 50. Yes, then click on enter. So I've created a new plane now at this point. So I'm going to draw a line of 45, yeah, a line of distance 90 with an angle of 45, that is 135. Yes, so I've done this and just come to this end, click on sphere, click on this line, then come to this end, you left click, and sphere will come up. So now we have a radius of 64, our sphere has a radius of 64, so we're going to be having this. Okay, so here we go, finish freeform. So we can cut this small part inside. I clicked on this and I click on the excess, I cut it. Then now come to remove surface or delete surface. So I deleted the surface and here we go. We are done, but we're not done. Remain one more part. So let's remove the visibility of this sketch. Or you can as well just go straight instead of wasting time. So let's come straight to this plane. So I'm creating a new sketch on this plane. Let's check. If I'm using this plane, is it going to pass through the bus? Yes, it is passing through the center. So that's why I'm using this plane. So using this plane, I'm going to draw. I'm going to use the revolve function to, then I'm using my cut edge. So click on project cut edges because I'm going to use this edge here. So go up by 6 millimeters. Then now come to line, click on your spline interpolation. Right click on the line drop down arrow, click on spline interpolation. Then this end where this guy stopped, project it forward a little bit. Then now bring it down to this point. Let me zoom. Okay, so what is happening here? Let's do that again. I clicked on spline interpolation. Oh, I drew my line first with a normal line. With a normal line, I drew it up to 6. And I came here, selected spline interpolation. I clicked on this so I could have just used spline straight up. So let's use our spline. Come here, click on spline interpolation. Then from where this 6 ends, go forward. Just measure 6 with your discretion and stop at anywhere 6 can be. Then proceed, move with your pointer upwards to meet this edge. This is why we projected the cut edges, so we can use this cut edge here. Then left click and click on close. Tick. Then come back with your normal line command because normal line to from here draw a line to meet with this. So we're going to have a closed part here. So having a closed part here, we're going to revolve. So revolve, click on this, then select this. So I'm revolving this shape about this axis to give me this. So it's going to give me this drill like feature here, and I'm going to do this. So this is what we have. Now let's remove all the sketches, the visibility, the work plane visibility, and we're going to be having this. So now let's tick in this. Yeah, we're done with this question, but let's just tick in it. Okay, come to ticking, select this. So you'll be able to select the whole body and click on this. So here we go. Now we want to delete this face. Come to delete face, then select this face and delete.
Really want it out.
So click on this face, come inside and click on OK. Yes. So here we go. I've deleted this face. Delete this from the bottom. Come here to the top. Delete it from here again. So this is what we have. Let's see. So from the top we're having this. So the correct view is going to be this. Click on home, then click on this edge from here, then set this view as your home view. So when you click on home you will have this, and when you click on top you have this, just like the question. So we have not changed this to taking this off it, so let's taking this out. So we're having something funny, but we can adjust. So taking this face, so let's select an arrow that is going to blend. So if you're having this extra face here, just taking this other part too. Select this and here you go. So you can have the view. So this is the drill tip or drill point here, and so let's get the orientation correct. Let's see if our top view is giving us no. So now come to home and click on this and set as okay. Yes, correct. So that's the answer. So you can save this. So let's go to the iso.idw. So we're going to import. We're asked to, for question 7, we're asked to give the complete view and the interpenetration curve produced by the hole, but we should not show the spoke. Okay, so as to have, as to give the complete view. So are we given an arrow to follow? No, we're not given an arrow, a direction to follow, so we can follow this direction. So for my front view, I should be having this. So I can bring this here to my side, and this is my plan. Correct. So here you go. So now let's bring the solid here. You can increase the size using the scale, and that's all.